Hi, my name is Jill Hansen, and I'm here to pitch to you about my new ad for your Norwegian Cruise Line Feel Free ad campaign. Here's the original ad. It's a great ad. It has a nice centered alignment that makes it feel informal and fun, and it shows what a cruise is really about, the cruise ship. Um, let's go on to the next slide. We'll do the original ad analysis on this. The design of the ad. The horizontal alignment of the ships matches the horizontal alignment of the call of action, inviting you to enjoy a carefree Norwegian cruise experience. And this contributes to the overall vacation theme of the ad, because the ad's all about a good vacation is waiting for you at Norwegian. The typography. Now, the typography in the original ad is great because the use of all caps is a bold statement and it contributes to the free and easy spirit of the ad. The all caps is repeated in the logo and the hashtag, unifying the elements of the ad and adding visual interest to the ad. A reader will visually recognize the vacation theme of ease and comfort associated with Norwegian Cruise Line. And the color. The color of the original ad is beautiful. And with the tropical blues of the skies as well as the blues of the ocean, portraying the same message Norwegian Cruise Line conveys, that is a good vacation is waiting to be had. Choose Norwegian Cruise Line for relaxation and a leisurely, carefree vacation. Now let's look at the new ad. The new ad is similar to the original ad in that it's got the cruise ship. It has the carefree, easy to read theme is carried through to the new ad with the easy to read font and the all caps. The call to action in the new ad, it's feel free to join the fun. It's similarly worded and it fits in good with the other call to action, and it adds visual interest to this ad. Instead of just looking at a picture of a cruise ship, you're looking at an invitation to feel free to join the fun. The vacation theme of fun and leisure, coupled with a promise of luxurious accommodations, is reflected in this new ad.